Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 4, that is about computer network. Okay, revision we have to do. I hope you are enjoying at your home. Okay, so worksheet we have to discuss first about chapter number 4, that is computer network. First question is here, what are repeaters? Okay, any guesses from your side? What do you mean about repeaters? You use chat box? Okay, just I show you the worksheet, the topic that we have to discuss in the form of questions. Look here. Okay, network devices that already we discussed in chapter number 4. Okay, so lots of devices are there when we are connecting a computer network, that is hub, repeater, bridge, switch, router, gateways, and router. Okay, B router. So repeaters, a repeater operates at the physical layer. There are 7 types of layers when you are creating a network. Okay, Nishant has told, in telecommunications, a repeater is an electronic device that receives a signal and retransmits it. Okay, so its job is to regenerate the signal over the same network before the signal becomes too weak or corrupted, so as the extended the length to which the signal can be transmitted over the same network. So there are 2 ports. Okay, 2 slots are there, port 1 and port 2, or it can connect dissimilar networks, not similar. Okay, first device, that is about repeater, same in the sense of hub. Now question number 2 is what? Which protocol is used to create or design hub network? So here we are discussing our Dalmia core values, that is growth mindset. With studies now, you have to learn about few Dalmia's promises, that is values, skills. Okay, so in that from this question you have to know about what is the meaning of growth mindset. Anybody knows about this one? Anyone?
No, sir.
Growth mindset means what? According to your prior knowledge. Okay, okay, according to that you have to write your answers, not the book answers, by using your prior knowledge, or you can say your skill, your key skill, you have to say your interest. Clear? So which topology is used for this one? Few students has written in chat box, that is star topology. So those have mentioned correct. Tarun, Vishal, Ankita, okay, Jitesh, your answer is correct. Got it? Now question number 3. How many types of bridges are there? Write their names. So Tanu has already given the answer. Okay, hub. A hub is basically a multi-port repeater. A hub connects multiple wires coming from different branches. For example, the connector in a star topology. So here star topology is used to create a hub. So 2 types of hubs are there: active hub, passive hub. Okay. Now 2 types of bridges are there: transparent, you can say, a source routing. Clear? Ankit has written 3. Ankita Payal has written 2. So 2 is the correct answer. So you have to write name. Okay. The answer you have to write like there are 2 types of bridges. First one is transparent and second one is source routing bridge. Clear? So like this you have to give the answers. Now next and important question is there. Question number 4. Write 2 lines about switches in respect of network devices. So what do you mean about switches? Anybody? Any guesses you have? Switch. Just look this picture. This device already we have used in our computer lab, or it has minimum 8 or more ports. Okay, so it has in the given picture now 14 or 16 ports are there. So 16 PCs we have to connect. Clear? Okay, Vishal has written transparent bridge, source route bridge, network switch in networking hardware that connect computer. Okay, so switch is also a type of network device. Switch is a multi-port bridge with a buffer and a design that can boost its efficiency. A large number of ports are there without. Okay, so its performance is very good. We have connected more than 10 computers. We reduce the cost. That is the feature of advantage of a network. So a switch is a data link layer. This is the second layer. Through that we have to using cables, medias, communication channels. We already discussed how many types of cabling systems are there. 3 types of cable systems are there: twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optic cable. So according to network cable, we have to connect the PCs from or to server. Okay. Now fifth question is what? Which types of network can be connected by router? Which type of network can be connected? Any guesses from your side? Local area network. One student has written router. This, please look here. A router is a device like a switch that routes data packets, because file can be transmitted over the network in the form of data packets. Okay, based on their IP addresses. Router is mainly a network layer device. Router normally connects LANs and WANs together. So both answer is correct. Either you write LAN and WAN, and have a dynamically updating routing table based on which they can make decisions on routing the packet. Okay, data packets. So in the form of packets, data will be traveled from source to destination. So one diagram is there. But this device is looking a router. With this router, 2 switches are there. Switch 1 connects hub 1 or hub 2, or with this bridges are there. So bridge device is used to fill the gaps, or it can control the data. Clear? So lots of devices are there: router, switches, bridge, hub, gateways. Okay, so what is a gateway? Just look here. A gateway is, the name suggested, is a passage. It is a way, it is a path through that devices are connected. Easily they have to share or exchange the data in the form of files, images, text, audio and video. Okay, so it can connect 2 networks together that may work upon different networking models. They basically work as the messenger agents. Take data from one system, interpret it to another, and transfer it to another system. Gateways are also called protocol converters. What is a protocol? Protocol is a set of rules and regulations, or it can operate at any network. Gateways are generally more complex than switch or router. Okay, so these network devices, related to that you will receive worksheet today. According to that you have to mention